Ashley of ANDCosplay. Today, am I holding these upright? No! Hi, I'm Ashley of ANDCosplay. Today, I'm going to be showing you how I made these cute, adorable Among Us crewmates out of socks without the use of a sewing machine. I can't breathe in this thing. Alright, let's just cut to the tutorial. To get started, you're going to need a pair of socks. You can actually use any type of sock. I even experimented with a child-sized sock to make this little guy. You could also try using fuzzy socks, tall socks, and all sorts of different sizes. Just have fun with it. We're going to begin by turning our sock inside out. The reason I decided to use a sock in the first place is that the heel shape makes the perfect shape for a little butt for our little guy to sit on. Here's me demonstrating where said butt will be. We're going to go ahead and draw out our leg shapes. You can kind of make them as long as you want. I sort of eyeballed it and kind of kept in mind that I wanted the legs to be about half the length of the body on this one. This is about what you should have. You can use your sewing machine for all the stitching, but for the purpose of this video, I wanted to show that you could do this without it. Using a very basic stitch, go ahead and stitch up right along that line that you just drew. It's not very time consuming, and it's also very easy to do. It's actually kind of relaxing. With the line all stitched up, go ahead and cut it, leaving a very small seam allowance. You can already see how this is starting to take shape. On the toe side of the sock, we're going to make our body. This is obviously way too tall as is, so we need to shorten it. I just eyeballed it and drew a slightly curved line where I wanted the top of the body to be. Once again, we're going to do a basic stitch along that line. However, we want to stop with a small gap at the end, that way we can turn it right side out and also add stuffing. Just like we did with the legs, we're going to cut off the excess, and then turn them right side out. Make sure to get in there and really push on the legs to make sure they're fully turned right side out. And we're already ready to stuff the body. I'm using polyfill, but you can also use things like fabric scraps and Kleenex and other household items to stuff it. One thing I want to point out that in order to help it sit, it helps to put a lot of stuffing down in the legs and the feet and leave a little bit of a gap and then stuff the body tightly. That way it can sit and bend like this. We have to close up the gap now, and using a little bit of an invisible stitch, which I am still not good at, I went ahead and closed it up. I guess this just proves that you don't have to be amazing at sewing to get a great result, because believe me, I'm really not good at hand sewing. To make the backpack shape, we're going to take our other sock in the pair and turn it inside out. By lining it up with the body, I'm going to eyeball it and mark off where I need to trim this. Once again, we're going to stitch along the line we made. Just like we did for the body, stop short of the end, that way we can turn it right side out and stuff it. Trim off the excess material, and then turn it right side out. Finally, add your stuffing. I don't pack this quite as tight because the backpack is pretty flat to their backs. Then stitch the hole closed. You can see this process is pretty repetitive from piece to piece. In order to attach the backpack to the body, you could stitch it, but I also just kind of like to use hot glue. It's easier and keeps it nice and flush to the back of the body. Now we need to make our visor. I like to cut out a piece of black felt that I can then glue on and paint all the shaded details onto. To get the shaded effect on the visor, I'm using 2 different shades of gray and also white. Looking at a couple reference photos that I like, I just go ahead and go in there with the acrylic paints. And there we have it, our finished little Among Us crewmates. Thank you so much for watching. I can't wait to see what you all make. See you next time.